Good morning P2. So today we will start exercise 9D and we will do 4 questions of this exercise today. So before starting the exercise, let me tell you some formulas which we use in this exercise. So let's come to the formulas. So the basic formula is distance is equal to speed multiplied by time. This is the main basic formula. You just need to remember this formula, and by remembering this formula you can automatically you can easily derive the next two formulas. So the main formula is distance is equal to speed multiplied by time, and if you want to calculate speed, then speed is equal to distance over time, and if you want to calculate time, then time is equal to distance over speed. So the main basic formula is distance is equal to speed multiplied by time, or in short term we can write it as D is equal to ST. D stands for distance, S stands for speed, and T stands for time. So D is equal to ST, or S is equal to D over T, or T is equal to D over S. So these are the three main formulas which we use in this chapter, in this exercise 9D, and you just need to remember one more thing, that when we convert from smaller unit to bigger unit, we divide, and when we convert bigger unit to smaller unit, we multiply. So these are the two main things which you need to remember. Now let's come to the exercise. So we will start question number 1 of exercise 9D. So the statement of question number 1 is a particle travels 24.6 km in 30 minutes. So travels means the distance is 24.6 km and time is 30 minutes. Find the speed of the particle. So speed is missing, and we know the formula speed is equal to distance over time. But you need to calculate the speed in part 1 in kilometer per hour and in part 2 meter per second. Okay, so how you will calculate the speed? So let's come to the solution. Distance is 24.6, time is 30 minutes and speed is missing. And in part 1 kilometer per hour. So distance is already in kilometer, but the time is in minutes. So you need to convert 30 minutes into hours. And we know that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So before converting, first you need to draw this table. The smaller unit is second, then minutes, and then hours. And we know that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes and 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So again the same thing, when we convert from the smaller unit to the bigger unit, we divide. And when we convert bigger unit to the smaller unit, we multiply. So now the time is 30 minutes and we are converting minutes into hours. So what we will do, if you are going minutes into hour in this direction, then you will divide it by 60. Because 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So that's why 30 minutes is equal to 30 divided by 60 is equal to, in simplified form, it's 1/2 hours. Now speed, the formula is speed is equal to distance over time. So distance is 24.6 km and time is 1/2 hours. So simply by dividing the both values, you will get the answer as speed is equal to 49.2 km per hour. Kilometer per hour. So this is the solution of part 1. Now in part 2, you are supposed to find the speed in meter per second. Now the distance is in kilometer. So we know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. Again, kilometer is the bigger unit and meter is the smaller unit. So we are converting kilometer into meter. So we multiply it by 1000. Because why 1000? Because 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. So 24.6 multiplied by 1000 meters and you will get, it's meter, 24600 meters. And now the time is in minutes. And you are supposed to calculate the time in seconds. So now we are going from minutes to seconds. So what we are going in this direction, minutes to seconds. So we will multiply. So 30 minutes is equal to 30 multiplied by 60 seconds, and then we will get 1800 seconds. So speed of the particle is, speed is equal to distance over time. So distance is in meters, so 24600 meters, and time is in seconds, 1800 seconds. So the answer is speed in mixed numbers. It will become 13 whole 2 by 3 meter per second. So this is the solution of question number 1, part 1 and part 2. I hope all the points are very clear. But still, if you have any query, then don't shy, okay? You can ask.